Ain't never felt this way. Can't get enough, so stay with me. It's not like we got big plans. Let's drive around town holding hands.
So starting with the makeup, I'm prepping my skin using this Olay Moisturiser before going in with the L'Oreal Lumi Magique primer.
And you need to know that you keep me up all night.
I'm then taking this Bare Minerals Bare Skin Concealer, placing it under my eyes, around my nose to cover any redness, on my chin, on my forehead and on any blemishes I may have. And then I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend everything in. Next, I'm taking this Benefit contour stick, using it to contour my cheekbones and the periphery of my forehead, and I'm using a dense kabuki brush to blend it in, taking any excess along my jawline.
Slow dance these summer nights. Our disco ball's my kitchen light.
For highlight, I'm taking this Geller Illuminating stick in the shade Gilded Honey, and I'm placing it on the high points of my cheeks, my forehead, brow bone, tip of my nose, my cupid's bow and also my chin, and then I'm just using my ring finger to blend it in.
Your face, oh my heart, it's so good. I love you, babe, so bad, so bad.
Moving on to the eyes, I'm using the Tarteist Pro Palette, taking the shade Whimsy all over my lid and working it into my crease. I'm then taking a clean fluffy brush, just blending out the edges to avoid any harsh lines, before taking the same shade onto my lower lash line to balance out the eye look. Next, I'm taking the shade Smoked on an angled brush, using it to line my lash line and wing it out slightly before curling my eyelashes. To finish off the eyes, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara on my top lashes before finishing the entire makeup look off with this Bobbi Brown lip gloss in the shade Aubergine.
I love you, babe, so bad, so bad. Oh, my heart, it's so good. I love you, babe, so bad.
And to ensure my makeup stays all day, I'm taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, just spritzing this all over my face before combing through my eyebrows to set them in place.
Everything you do.
Now onto the hair. I'm just brushing through it to get rid of any tangles before sectioning it off. I'm then taking my GHD hair straighteners, twisting relatively thick strands of hair around the barrel once and then holding it there for a few seconds to create a bouncy curl. And I'm being sure to curl the strands of hair away from my face, just to frame my face a little bit.
So then I took my turn. Oh, what a thing to have done. And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. And you know I love you so.
And for the finishing touches, I'm just adding a little bit of this Organics coconut milk serum into my hair just to ruffle it about and create a more relaxed curl. And I'm also tucking one side of my hair behind my ear. For my typical day-to-day outfits, one thing I like to wear are these high-waisted mum jeans from H&M paired with this crop top from New Look and this chunky knit cardigan from Tesco. I dressed this outfit up with these black heeled boots from H&M, and I'm also wearing my rose gold Daniel Wellington watch and some layered necklaces from Topshop. This next outfit is something I would typically wear for a day on a work placement where I have to dress a little bit more formally. So these trousers along with the black crop top are both from New Look, and I accessorised this outfit with this skull necklace. And I paired this outfit with these black pumps that are also from New Look. This last outfit is a definite go-to for a busy day at uni. I'm wearing these ripped skinny jeans which are from Levi's, as is the black denim jacket, and the thin knit sweater is from American Eagle. I accessorised the outfit with the same layered necklaces from Topshop, and I finished the outfit off with my comfortable Adidas sneakers.